The psychology of money. Why some people stay broke and others build wealth. Imagine two friends. Both graduate from college the same year. Both get the same job. Both earn $60,000 a year. 10 years later, their financial lives look completely different. One is drowning in debt. The other has investments, savings, and financial freedom. What happened? Did one get lucky? Did one earn more money? No. The difference was how they thought about money. The first friend believed money was meant to be enjoyed immediately. Every raise meant a bigger apartment, a newer car, expensive vacations, the newest phone. He looked successful. Nice clothes, nice car, great lifestyle. But every month, his bank account stayed close to zero. He was rich in appearance, but poor in wealth. The second friend had a different mindset. He believed money meant freedom later. So instead of spending every dollar, he did something simple. Every month, he invested just a small portion of his income, not thousands. Sometimes just $200 or $300. Nothing exciting, nothing flashy. But something powerful happened over time. His investments began to grow. Then the growth started growing on itself. This is called compound interest. Money making money, and that money making more money. 10 years later, the results looked dramatic. The first friend had the lifestyle, but the second friend had something more powerful. Options. He could change careers. He could take time off. He could travel. He could sleep peacefully knowing money was working for him. And that's the biggest lesson in the psychology of money. Wealth is not built by dramatic decisions. It's built by small behaviors repeated over time. The people who build wealth usually aren't the smartest. They simply understand one thing. Money is less about math and more about behavior. Why do some people become wealthy, while others who earn just as much money struggle their entire lives? It's not always intelligence. It's not always opportunity. And surprisingly, it's not even always income. The real difference is something most people never think about: the psychology of money. In this video, we'll explore how your mindset, habits, and emotions about money can determine your financial future. 1. Money is emotional. Most people think financial success is about math, budgets, interest rates, investment strategies. But in reality, money decisions are often emotional. People spend money when they feel stressed, excited, bored, insecure. Think about it. How many times have you bought something not because you needed it, but because it made you feel good? This emotional relationship with money is one of the biggest reasons people struggle financially. 2. Your money story. Everyone grows up with a different money story. Some people grow up in families where money was always scarce. Others grow up in homes where money was plentiful. These experiences shape how we think about money as adults. For example, someone who grew up without much money might become extremely cautious about spending. Someone raised in a wealthy environment may feel comfortable taking financial risks. Neither approach is necessarily wrong. But understanding your own money story can help you make better financial decisions. 3. Wealth versus looking rich. One of the most powerful lessons in the psychology of money is this: looking rich is not the same as being wealthy. The expensive car, the designer clothes, the luxury house, these things often represent spending, not wealth. True wealth is the money you don't see. It's the investments, the savings, the assets quietly growing in the background. Wealth is invisible, but it provides something extremely valuable: security and freedom. 4. The power of patience. One of the greatest advantages in building wealth is time. Imagine investing just $300 per month. That might not sound impressive. But if that money grows at an average of 8% per year, over 30 years it could grow to hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is the magic of compound interest. Small actions repeated consistently over time produce massive results. But here's the challenge. Humans naturally want immediate rewards. Waiting decades for financial growth requires patience. And patience is one of the rarest financial skills. 5. The role of luck and risk. Another important lesson about money is understanding the role of luck. Some people succeed partly because of the right opportunities at the right time. Others face obstacles beyond their control. Recognizing this helps us stay humble and realistic about financial success. Instead of assuming we can perfectly control outcomes, we focus on good habits and smart decisions over time. 6. The ultimate goal of money. Many people believe the goal of money is luxury. But in reality, the greatest benefit of money is control over your life. Money can give you the ability to choose the work you do, spend time with family, pursue passions. Avoid constant financial stress. In other words, money provides freedom. The psychology of money teaches us something simple but powerful. Building wealth is less about complicated financial strategies and more about consistent behavior. People who succeed financially tend to spend less than they earn, invest consistently, avoid emotional decisions, think long-term. And over time, these habits quietly build wealth. If you want to build wealth, remember this: you don't need to be a financial genius. You just need the right habits. Because in the long run, how you behave with money matters more than how much you know. If you learned anything from this video, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.